the complete AutoCAD Structural Detailing course. In this course, you will learn the structural detailing of RCC structures using AutoCAD along with how to read structural drawings. After completing this course, you will be able to read structural drawings like a pro and will be able to do structural detail drawings in AutoCAD. These skills will help you with your drafting or detailing job and enable you to work as a professional site or construction engineer, as you will learn to read and do beam detailings, read and do column detailings, read and do foundation detailings, read and do slab detailing, read and do stair detailing, read and do column schedule, read and do the foundation schedule, read and do naming grade beams, read and do naming floor beams, read and do naming columns, read and do naming foundations. And you will also learn and understand general notes along with how to read, edit, and interpret them efficiently, which is essential for a site engineer or construction personnel. There is no prerequisite to this course for those who want to learn how to read structural drawings only, but those who want to learn structural detail drawing in AutoCAD must be familiar with AutoCAD or have completed the complete AutoCAD course. To learn about structural detailing to enhance their skills further, you can read the description of the course or watch a few free preview videos to help decide to enroll in this course.